Happy New Year. It is January 1st, 2025, and I hope everyone is having a great start to the new year so far. We are actually headed downtown St. Louis right now, headed to IKEA. I'm needing some new organization things. That's kind of one of the things. Once we take down all the Christmas, I'm ready to get clean, I'm ready to get organized. So I'm looking for some new organization items. Plus, we haven't been here for a while, so I'm always looking for new things that are just interesting. So I thought I would take you with us today. I'm so excited to take you along with us to IKEA today. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you usually shop at IKEA? Do you have one close to you or not? Let me know. And if you don't, no worries. I will be linking a lot of these items down in the description box below for you, where you can find alternative places to buy them or very similar items to the ones you'll see today. All right, we're gonna start up in the showroom because there's always some really good inspiration up here. This over here really caught my attention. They're stacking plastic bins with lids. And the reason it caught my attention is because it is on a cart with wheels on it, making it mobile. This whole outdoor setup just had me wishing for warmer weather. You have to let me know down in the comments below if you're ready for warmer weather too. It is January here. There's about 6 inches of snow on the ground and it's about 19 degrees outside. So I am definitely ready for some outdoor storage solutions for my potting storage and also our garden. Now this peg system is not new, and if I had a space for it, I would totally buy this and put it somewhere for organization, because I love that you can versatilely use this in so many different spaces. Your craft room, office, kids' bedroom. I love all the accessories that come with it. It just makes it adjustable and so usable. Now I've had one of these before and I kept like my glue sticks in it and things like that, but they had it set up in another area. And it also had like labels on it for another storage idea. I am loving these new GENIUS cabinets. They've had these, but I think they were white, and now they have this really beautiful kind of brick red color. Loving the glass. Loving the wood shelves. Loving that it has drawers. We almost got this for our pantry. Instead, we ended up building a custom one, which we did use IKEA for, and I'll show you that and what we used for that. But here's the GENIUS cute matching shelf and cabinet. And that is so cute. I've always liked big wall units like this. Oh, so this is the GENIUS, but in the white creamy color. Oh, and it's on sale. I loved this little area here. It was just such a cozy vibe, and I have been wanting one of these gold bars with the hooks on it for over our stove, so I finally caved and grabbed it. It's super affordable, and I think I'm actually going to add some rub and buff to it to tone down the yellow color of it and give it more of like an antique gold color. But love the aesthetic of it. We have shiplap and green in our kitchen, so I think this is going to be really, really pretty with our quartz countertops and our marble backsplash. We're regretting not grabbing a little cart. Starting to pick things up. Carter to the rescue by finding a basket full of shopping bags. So this is what I have in my craft room. I put 3 of these together and I absolutely love them. You can put your Cricut machine on here, all your like 12 by 12 paper on here. I have baskets, and my favorite part are the drawers, because it hides stuff, but it's still easy to get to. So I have it looking really pretty up here, but then I just throw extra stuff down there, and I just love this. They're compact, but not too small. Really good for small spaces though. So here's a close-up of those Bremness cabinets in my craft room, but I have another item from IKEA in my craft room too that I absolutely love, and it is this kitchen island. I love it because I like to stand while I craft. So it's higher up, it's got the shelves in the front. I actually put mine on wheels so I can move it around my crafting space too, which makes it even a little bit more higher up and kind of a good height for me, but this is what it looks like in my crafting space. And then speaking of crafting spaces, this is another great storage option for your craft supplies, but also this is great for like pretty much every room in your home. Tons and tons of storage. And then I actually have several of these. I have one in my craft room. I have one for my tools. I've even put one out on my porch during Christmas time for snacks for the delivery drivers. And of course, all that IKEA shopping, it makes you work up an appetite. So now it is time to take a break and have our favorite thing, Swedish meatballs. And here is a pan and look at downtown St. Louis. And now that our bellies are full, it's time to get an actual cart and do some major shopping. I also had to stop and check out this kitchen for this wall storage unit. I fell in love with this. It is another one of those great versatile pieces that can be changed around. There's lots of different accessories and good for so many different places in your home, not just your kitchen. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is what I came for. And online it says they're sold out. So hopefully they have lids too somewhere, but these are awesome. And they have these cool separator insert lids you can put in those and put the lid on top. So I may get one of these too. And I need a bunch of these, but in white. And they don't have any of those, so I don't think I want this color, so I might have to come back. All right, so these are not what I came for, but I think they will work because I wanted the smaller size to fit on the bigger lid, smaller above it. So I think I'm just gonna get these instead. They won't have a lid on them, but it'll be a little bit cheaper, I think, to go this route. Brian found this. Look how cool this is. We're gonna see if we can find this. I wonder if they have different colors, or do you like that color?
I don't mind that color. It's wood, you know, it's ceramic.
And this smells really good too. I don't know how to say that, but that smells really good. They're on sale. And of course, don't forget the light bulb. And I also grabbed one of these succulent plants on the way out. It is my way of hoping for warmer days ahead. Put this in my kitchen window so I could enjoy it from the inside while there's snow outside. And of course, gotta have fun with those IKEA carts that give you the best core muscle exercises of any cart ever invented. Got through the checkout, also hit the little grocery shopping area for some Swedish meatballs, and was heading home. All right, they didn't have everything I wanted, but I'm glad they had the big totes, and it'll give me something to work on. All right, so I am no stranger to these bins. Well, not these. These are new to me, but this is what I was hoping to do in the office because I really, really love the way these are set up out here, and they hold a lot and I can get to them easily. And obviously lots of nice organization going on. So I do have the bottom bins. It's the top bins that I had to substitute. So we're gonna see how that works out. But let me go show you the office, which is what is needing the organization. All right, so this is the craziness up here that obviously has seen better days. So I've had those baskets up there for several years now, and they're old. Like, I think I got them from Target, and I used them under a bench at one time too. So they've had a lot of life. They're hanging on, but obviously they're just not big enough. And I have so much room up there that I could utilize more if I got bigger bins, which is why I went to IKEA. So first thing I always do is everything is gonna come down, come off of there. We're gonna purge, we're gonna organize, and we are gonna tackle this awful situation going on up here. All right, so much better. Pretty sure I have tripled the amount of organization and storage space up there without having to see everything just shoved up in there and kind of wedged in there, just ready to fall down any second. Now everything has a place. The one other thing I want to do is I have a label maker. I'm going to make some labels so I'll be able to find what's in those bins when I need them. This was another IKEA organization product that I did pick up, purchase because it is metal. So I'm sure you've all seen different kinds of Lazy Susans, but I thought this one is going to be a little bit more heavy duty and hold up for a lot longer. So at only $7.99, I thought it was a great buy, and I've been wanting a Lazy Susan for on my craft table. So I decided to put some art supplies on there, some craft supplies on there, things that I usually need and grab kind of often. That way they're kind of ready and at hand while I'm crafting. I thought this was pretty genius. You can put this under your countertops, under cabinets, inside cabinets. It's kind of like a hidden little towel bar, or there's so many different ways you can use this. I decided to grab one and I put it inside my office underneath my countertop onto the cabinet. I have a couple blankets that I keep at my desk, and I thought this was a great way to keep them like in its own little area, but tucked away when I wasn't using them. A lot of times when I'm sitting at my desk, I do have a blanket on to keep warm. It is a little chilly out here when it's 19 degrees outside in my she shed. So this is a nice way to just kind of hang it up, keep it off the floor, keep it off the countertop, and tucked away until I'm ready to use it. Now, I know not everybody has an IKEA, but no worries. I'm going to try to link as much as I can down in the description box below, as you can find some of these or similar items on Amazon. Thank you so much for joining me and coming along with me to IKEA today. I'll have 2 more IKEA videos popping up on your screen if you're looking for more budget-friendly organization ideas. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a creative day.